Are you looking for a video editor? Hi, my name is Rafa Rakib and it seems you need a video editor. My day job is content creation and by night, I'm Batman. Just kidding, I just love to edit videos. I can basically do what other editors do. Cut, zoom, color, remove mistakes and basically make your videos rock. But I can do some other magic for you. Transitions like this, or like this. Looking for green screen edits? That's correct. Will be done. Multiple cam edits. Easy peasy. Maybe some sound effects. Split screens. Lower thirds. Or maybe you just want subtitles. I can change the color of the video, feel of your video. By making your videos interesting, clickable and engaging, my job is to make you happy and make your videos just for you with a little bit touch of mine. Am I going too fast? Let me make it a bit slow and cinematic for you. As you can see, my videos are a bit different, and if this is what you want, what are you waiting for?